Yeah, today I'm going to talk about Spring Data JDBC. Last class notes is not uploaded. Fine, don't worry, I'll upload. Okay, here, what is the new folder, guys? Spring Data JDBC. Spring Data JDBC. What is today's date, guys? May 22nd, 2022. Spring Data JDBC. Array. Spring Data JDBC. Yeah, it is lightweight ORM. It is direct lightweight ORM. Okay, lightweight ORM, not backed by Hibernate. Not backed by Hibernate. Okay, guys. Spring Data JPA is backed by Hibernate. Is backed by Hibernate and gives many features. Gives many features. Okay, but it is complex and heavyweight. In the utilization. Understanding my statement, it's a complex and heavyweight in the utilization. Okay. It complex and heavyweight utilization, which leads to performance issues. Which leads to performance issues, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Which leads to performance issues. Which leads to performance issues. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity here? Okay, guys. Now listen. Spring Data JDBC is direct ORM. Direct ORM given by Spring people, Spring team having the following limitations, restrictions compared to Spring Data JPA. Lightweight means some features you have to sacrifice now, boss. Yeah. No dynamic schema generation. In Spring Data JPA, tables will be created automatically, right? No dynamic schema generation. Okay. Next, no derived queries. No derived query generation. What do you mean by derived query generation? Array generating queries for finder methods. based on their naming conventions. Based on their naming conventions. Okay, guys. Based on their finder methods, ra babu. You design method, finder method in a proper way, the query will be generated. Okay. Supports only SQL queries. Supports only SQL queries. That means no support for, come on guys. That means no support for JPQL. A compromised Spring Data JPA is nothing but this, guys. Okay. Supports only SQL queries. That means no support for JPQL. No support for caching. Sorry, caching support is not there. Okay. No support for, that's the reason no one shows interest. Okay. Lazy loading. Sorry. No support for lazy loading. Are you listening my work? We can use only crude repository operations. Code repository operations. That means we cannot work with JPA repository and paging and sorting. Repository operations. We cannot work with JPA repository and paging and sorting repository operations. Are you listening my statement, guys? Super. No dynamic schema generation, no derived query generation, supports only SQL queries. That means no support for JPQL, no support for caching, no support for lazy loading. Okay. There, here is the F. Next, G, guys. No support for this, guys. No support for positional parameters. That means supports only named parameters. Next, H. No support for various generators. JPA generators. Right, guys? Like this, some limitations are there. Like this, some limitations are there, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. So a lightweight ORM you need. Then you go for it. Okay. Then what is the difference between Spring JDBC and Spring Data JDBC? I think already I have shared Spring JDBC videos to you people, right? What is the difference between answer? What is the difference between Spring JDBC and Spring Data JDBC, guys? Tell me, guys. Right, guys. Spring JDBC provides abstraction on plain JDBC, plain JDBC, and simplifies JDBC style programming, where we still need to do query preparation manually, query preparation and execution manually. Understanding my statement, guys? Spring Data JDBC is lightweight ORM with great performance, and to develop what is this? Objects based persistence logic. Spring Data JDBC is direct light ORM with great performance, not backed by Hibernate. Internally, no Hibernate is used, guys. To develop objects-based database software independent persistence logic. Database software independent persistence logic. Okay, guys. Got the point, boss? Everyone convinced here? Spring Data and Spring Data JDBC both are right. Two ways of working with Spring Data JDBC. Number one, using repositories like Spring Data JPA style. Next, using JDBC template. Come on. Like Spring JDBC style. Okay. For ready-made operations. Ready-made and easy operations. For ready-made and easy code operations. Like Spring Data, like Spring JDBC style, guys. Spring JDBC style. For what? For complex and custom queries execution. Got it, guys? Everyone understood the basic points, guys? Okay. Right, boss. Example application on repository style. Example application on repository style, guys. Super, guys. Tell me next one, first one. Create Spring Boot starter project, adding the following dependencies. Yeah. Industry uses Spring Data JPA, guys. I'm just giving it for knowledge sake. since I promised, having the following dependencies. Yeah, guys. Lombok, B, MySQL or Oracle driver. C, Spring Data JDBC. Don't forget to add Spring Data JDBC. I think these are enough now, boss. I think these are enough. Okay. All right, boss. Let's come here. Close all. File, guys. New project. Spring Starter project. Spring JDBC. Spring, 1 minute. Boot data JDBC pros 0. Boot data JDBC pros 0. JDBC pros 0. Repository style. Say next, guys. Okay, what is this? No, not data JPA. Lombok, Oracle driver. Let's see, Spring Data JDBC is coming or not coming. See, guys, Spring Data JPA is coming, but Spring Data JDBC is not coming. You type only JDBC. Yeah, then you are getting Spring Data JDBC option. Spring Data JDBC option. Are you seeing this? If you take plain JDBC, Spring JDBC will come. This will give Spring Data JDBC. Yes, fine. Yeah, this is step number 1, guys. Right, boss. Step number 2. Create DB table manually. Create DB table manually. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah. JDBC API means Spring JDBC. Spring Data JDBC means Spring Data JDBC. Create DB table manually. Okay, here is my SQL developer, guys. Here is my SQL developer. Oh, password expire in 5 days. Huh? Okay, fine, no problem. Today not expired, nah? Be happy for that. Right click, guys. Right click, guys. Okay. data underscore JDBC underscore. What is this, guys? Customer. No, otherwise we'll take IPL team. Huh? Okay, IPL team. Data underscore JDBC underscore IPL team. Tell me here, what is this? Okay, IPL team. Team ID. Team ID, number, some number. Team name varchar2. Okay. Captain varchar2. Captain varchar2. Owner varchar2. Okay. Owner varchar2. Next. Okay, what is this? Title winning count. Title winning count number. Title winning count number. Sometime. Title winning count number. Okay, guys. Title winning account this. Save. Okay. Okay. Now let's see refresh, guys. Okay. Refresh is not there. I think below that. Refresh. Yeah. Table is ready, Ra Babu. Nothing else. Primary key and all this stuff. Step number 3. Oh, title is not written. Title winning account. Done, was. Step number 3, guys. Okay. Add data source properties. Add data source properties. Add data source properties in application.properties file. For connectivity is required na for certain database, definitely. Okay. Application.properties. Yeah, we are going to add data. Spring dot data source dot username. Okay, first driver class name. Driver class name. Arikil dot JDBC dot driver dot Arikil driver. Spring dot data source dot what is this? Spring dot data source dot URL. JDBC colon thin colon @localhost 1521x. Spring dot user dot name. Spring dot data source dot password manager. Okay, guys, application dot properties, we are ready with this. Anyhow, schema generation, no need of writing JPA properties, guys. No need of writing JPA properties. Application dot properties. Next, number 4. Develop the POSO class. POSO class. Why you are saying POSO class? Why are you not saying entity class? Why are you not saying Java bean also? Or even getter setter methods also optional. Getter setter methods also optional. Got it? Okay. Develop the POSO class. POSO class. Okay, POSO class to map with DB table. To map with DB table. Yeah, let me add the package, guys. Yeah, you can say POSO model, anything you can call it, guys. com.nt.model. Here. Yes, class, guys. What is there? IPL team, right? IPL team. IPL team, guys. Private integer team ID. Private string team name. Private string. Come on. Team ID, team name. What is the next one, guys? What's the next one? Team owner. Next one is what? Private string. Captain. Captain. Okay. Captain or team captain I have taken. Captain owner. Team name, team captain owner. Okay. Team name. Okay. Owner only, na? Just owner. Order is not important. Fine. Super, guys. Next one. Owner. Private integer. Title winning count. Title winning count. Title winning count, guys. Okay, see, guys, both are not matching, but that's why table is equal to class name, and that way is not matching. Same story, guys. Data underscore JDBC underscore IPL team. IPL team. Okay. Next, @ID. What is this? Please observe, it is not data JPA table annotation. Do you think it's a data JPA table annotation? It is not Hibernate annotation. It is a different package. I hope you noticed it, guys. I hope you noticed it that ID. This ID also not that one, Rababu. org.work annotation.id. No JPA is involved here. No JPA is involved here. Okay. Yeah. @data. Okay. @data. To get the basic things, guys. To get the basic things. Here is my what, guys? IPL team.java. IPL team dot Java. Entity is not required. Entity is not required. You try to place entity, what happens? No, there is no, and you cannot, because this is hibernate one, right? This is hibernate one. Are you listening my statement, guys? Come on. Right. At the rate, if column names are matching with property names, writing at the rate column is optional. You know that, right? Okay. No need of placing at the rate entity. Next. Okay. Okay. Class with properties are sufficient. Class with properties are sufficient. Class with properties are sufficient, guys. Okay. Even getter setter method. Getters and setter methods are optional. Yeah, it internally uses reflection API to read the data, guys. Okay. Even getter and setter methods, setter getter methods are optional. If class name is matching with DB table name, then at the rate table is optional. If property names are matching with DB table column names, then at the rate column is optional. Then at the rate column is optional, guys. Then at the rate column is optional, boss. Are you listening my statement, guys? Come on. Right, anyhow, table is already there. Now you need not to control the column sizes also. Okay, boss. Next. If you want, you can have those constructors, guys, to make life easy. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate all arg constructor. No arg constructor, all arg constructor. No arg constructor and all arg constructor. Everyone getting my point there? IPL team.java. Here is my at the rate entity. Here is my at the rate column. Next one, guys. Develop the repository interface. Develop the repository interface. Yes, simply decided to develop the repository interface. Right click, new package, com.nt.repository. Okay, class, IPL team repository. IPL team repo. Oh, that's better, guys. IPL team repo. Extends from, tell me. What is that, guys? Extends from. What is that, guys? Crude repository. Extends from code repository. IPL team, comma, entity class, comma, what is this? Integer. Primary key type. Okay. Oh, class I have taken. That's why it is not responding. Interface. Code repository. Taken now was, yeah, IPL team rep. Next. That is number 5, guys. Reverse, first ID, then this one. What is the order, guys? What is the order? T and ID. T fellow. Right, I'm right. T for template, ID is ID. Okay. Manas, not practice daily. Okay. Next one. Develop service class. Service class by injecting a repository object. Okay. By injecting depository object. Fine, guys. New package com.nt.service. Okay, interface IIPL team management service. IIPL team management service. IIPL team management service, guys. Tell me here, what is this? IIPL team management service, guys. Tell me what is there in that? Okay, guys. Here I would like to perform register team. Register team. Next one, IPL team. IPL team. Interface na boss. Public string register team, IPL team, guys. This is service interface, guys. Service implementation class. Okay, guys. IPL team management service IMP interface. guys. IIPL team management service. IIPL team management service. Right, guys. At the rate service. At the rate service. Tell me. Okay. IPL team service. IPL team service. Control plus shift plus O. Private IIPL team management service. Sorry, repository na. IPL team repo. Okay, team repo. At the rate auto. Team repo at the rate auto. Clear, my dear? Come on. Super. So here, what is the one I should do, guys? What is the one I should do? Okay, I should have a message, na? Okay. Return team repo dot. Array, same thing, Rabab. Save method. Save method. Team dot get ID. Team ID. Okay. Team is registered. Team is registered with. Come on. Team is registered with. Team is registered with ID plus. Super, guys. Team is registered with ID. This one, guys. Cool. Right, boss. Yeah, this is service class, guys. Service interface. Service interface, guys. Say paste. Next, service IMPL class. Service IMPL class. Service IMPL class. Nice, boss. Next, let's go for runner class development, guys. Right click new package. com.nt.runner. 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 Okay, now listen. Class, guys. Tell me, guys. Spring data JDBC test runner. Test runner. Interface, guys. What is the interface I should implement? Command line runner. Command line runner. Finish. Super. Command line runner. How to make it this one, guys? Component. Okay. Component. Yeah. Tell me here what is there. We have to inject service, guys. Private IIPL team management service. auto. IIPL team management service auto. Tell me guys. Okay. Sys out. What is that guys? Sys out. Okay. Now tell me first of all, save operation. IPL team is equal to new IPL team of but all arg constructor is there na. Listen guys, listen. If this is empty, it will performs if this is empty. Okay, we'll first give the things guys. What happens? We'll see. 1001 next IPL team Mumbai Indians. Next, who is the captain? What is next one guys? In the constructor order, what is there? Captain. Okay, Rohit. Next, Mumbai Indians, Rohit. Next one. Owner is Ambani, Reliance. Number of titles, guys, 5 titles they have won. They have won 5 titles, right now, boss? Okay. Now listen. Sys out. Service dot register team. Service dot register team. Cool na guys? Okay. Now all are set guys. Let's see whether we are able to inject the record or not. Array, it's like giving the feeling of, it's more of giving the feeling like what? Spring data JPA only na, but few facilities are not there. Few facilities are definitely not there. Okay guys. Now let's see. Run as a Spring Boot application. Oh, what's the problem? Invalid identifier. Team underscore ID, invalid identifier. Array, this uppercase, lowercase na boss. This because of uppercase, lowercase, it is looking them in what guys? Underscore manner. Understanding my statement. It is looking for the columns having underscore symbols. Okay. So if you want to avoid that, team ID, name, captain, owner, team ID. Now it will work. Winning count. Or you can use at the red column. Okay. Or here also in memory proxy class will be generated. Don't worry. Team ID. Same. It's not same. It's like its own ORM. It's not Hibernate, backed by Hibernate, its own ORM. It is its own ORM. Spring Boot application, guys. Failed to update entity. No, listen. Here one magic is there, guys. No, table name is not missing. Everything is perfect. Listen, here one magic is there. If at the rate ID property is null, guys, if at the rate ID property is null, it will perform insert operation. If at the rate ID property is filled up with data, it will perform update operation. Taking the number as a criteria, it will try to perform update operation. Right now I have taken null, my dear. Okay. Right now I have taken null, guys. Run as Spring Boot application. Oh, cannot insert null into that. If I give data, it is looking for update operation. And a table name is given Ra Abdul Mohit. Okay. Title winning count is empty. Yeah. Why empty? Title winning count. Title winning count is not empty, Ravavu. Is not empty. 1 minute. Let's go to IPL team. Is there any generated value we'll take? Generated. Generated value. It's not a data JPA generated. Okay. No, we cannot use sequence now, boss. Because it's not Hibernate, please. It's a Spring JDBC. It's a Spring JDBC. Are you listening? It's not Hibernate. Okay. Is there an option to use controller package using controller class without runner? When you develop web application, anyhow, you will develop that only, na boss. Okay. Right now, our focus is on Spring JDBC, na. Sonu Yadav, madam, what you are right now focus on your persistence part or presentation part? Yeah, it is not automatically taking Ra. What can I do here? It is trying to update if I fill up the data. But how to generate it automatically? How to generate it automatically? How to generate it automatically, Ramo? So we need to do something for it. We need to do something for it. 1 minute. Array database constraints idea. No, yeah. Database already taken, na PK is taken. In DB table, it's already having PK. Null alone. No. If you don't want to allow null. You don't want to allow null, Babu. Actually, it has to be generated dynamically. It has to be generated dynamically. Okay, let's try this then. Let's try this then. Yeah. Let's keep without ID one ID. Without ID, let's keep one constructor. Yeah. Without ID. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Lambak non-null only we will take. Here we take at the rate required arg constructor. Taken na? Okay. Client application ra babu. Okay, I'm not putting there. I'm not putting there. Anyhow, default null will be there now, boss. Okay. I'm not putting the things there. Okay, let's see now. Right click, run on Spring Boot application. Cannot insert null to team ID. Cannot insert null to team ID. If I fill up with the data, This is one thing headache, right? If I try to fill up with the data, then it says no 101 is available. Okay, right. 1 minute. Run on Spring Boot client. See what is trying to do? Fail to update 101. No. See, when I give value, it is trying to update the entity. Did you notice it? Fail to update the null. ID 1001 not found. ID 1001 not found. Very interesting problem or not? ID 1001 not found, guys. Okay. I thought they should give. Actually, I thought when null is there, it will try to insert into other columns. But it is not generating. Only the thing is, do I need to configure any generator here? 1 minute. Just a minute, guys. Let's take some help from internet. Let's take some help from internet. Okay. Generator configuration. No, generated value is there in Spring Data JPA, not there in Spring Data JDBC. Please don't give me those suggestions. Madam, it is Spring Data JDBC, madam. Please, madam. From the beginning, you are in that field only. Okay, Spring Data JDBC reference tag. Okay. Spring Data JDBC. @bean. Okay, fine. Spring JDBC. Yeah. We are not looking for Spring JDBC. Spring Data JDBC we are looking. Spring Data JDBC. Spring Data JDBC generated value. Custom ID generation. 1 minute. Error. Spring.io website error is there. What we can do about them? Okay, boss. Okay. Tell me here, what is this? Control F. @ID. ID generation. That uses ID to generate the ID. If your database has auto increment column for the ID column, the generated value gets set into this. Oh, auto generation should be there. But in our Oracle, auto generation is there, not there. One important constraint is after saving an entity, the entity must not be new anymore. Note that whether entity is new or entity state with auto increment columns. This happens automatically because ID gets set by Spring Data with value ID column. If you are not using auto increment column, you can use before to convert listener, which sets ID of the entity. Okay, ID of the entity covered later in this document. Okay, before convert. Okay, here something different about before convert. Before aggregate roots converted plan execute statement, but after decision was made aggregator. and update or insert. This is correct event if you want to set ID programmatically. This is event, Rababu. 1 minute. Custom ID. Custom identity. Custom ID. Core concepts. Custom ID, custom ID, custom ID. No. Generated value is not there. Give me 2 minutes, guys. It is having update, it is trying to do when I give data, but how to make it into working for insert operation. The two in our Oracle, we don't have auto increment. And that's the biggest challenge, biggest problem. So Spring Data JDBC example. Spring Data JDBC example, guys. Okay. ID generations, insert record with custom ID. I think this is there. This is going to help us. Okay. Now listen. @ID Spring Data JDBC. @ID field POSO is null. New record table next with the next auto increment value is not null. It is trying to do update operation. By default, we cannot insert record using customer predefined primary key. However, there is a workaround we are going to see next. Yes. First of all, what should I do? I should make my class implementing persistable long. Persistable long. That's the one thing. Next, I have to take one Boolean property is insert. Okay, is insert. Is insert get ID. Okay, is new. I think these two methods came from these guys, and this is one is insert property. Okay, this is non-trans. This never participate in what persistence operation. Yeah, like this we have to go for custom. Now see, after that now we are setting ID. Set is insert to true. Save operation. While updating is insert to false. Save. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So manually is new means it will become ready for insert operation. If this returns false means it will become ready for update operation. Come on. I think you got the plan, guys. Okay. Some hard hangama is there, guys. Some hangama is there. Let's try. Okay. Tell me. Implements persistable. Implement persistable integer. Integer. Here, add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods. Okay. Tell me. Get ID, return team ID. Okay. Whatever is there in the team ID, you take it. Yeah, is new. But can we say always new, guys? This should be changed dynamically. What should I do to change this one dynamically? Private Boolean. Private Boolean. Okay. Is for insertion. What is that, guys? Any name you can take, guys. Any name you can take. We are going to set value for that one manually. Okay. Private Boolean insertion. Insertion. This also I will put insertion. Okay, guys. Insertion. If I set it to true, it returns true. If I set it to true, it returns true. Okay, then what happens? It returns true. When true is there, from the get ID value will be taken and insertion happens. Okay, if returns false, it will perform update operation. If returns false, it will perform update operation. Got the point, my dear? But problem is it will think that it is also for insertion purpose. No, guys. That's why what should I do? Transient. It is also for insertion purpose, transient. Okay, in this situation, there is no need of this non-null. If needed, we'll add later, guys. If needed, we will add later. Okay. Okay. Now listen, transient. This insertion will never participate in what? This one. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Set insertion. Lastly, what, guys? Set insertion. I set what? True. Set insertion true. Array, last one. Set insertion true. Okay. Set insertion true, guys. That means what happened? It will happily try to perform save operation or not. This is little bit different because no generators na. Since generators are not there, this sacrifice is required. This kind of additional stuff is required. 1001 record is inserted or not? Check it out. Data, boss. 1001 record has come na, boss. 1001 record has come na. Come on. Right, boss. Now, what is there? Suppose I set false. So now it will try to perform update operation. Rohit Sharma is removed from captaincy. What is that? Pollard is given, has become captain. Let us assume. Next, tell me what happens. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. It says registered only, but you observe here, refresh, Pollard has come. Update operation has come, not? Update operation has come or not? Array, story is little different here. Come on. Super. Go to service IMPL, guys. Resisted or updated. With this ID. Right, boss. Once again, you observe. This time I will give 1002. New number. Okay. SRH. Williamson. Okay. Next, Sun Network. Sun Network. What is the 0 time or 1 time? 0 time. What is this? True. True means what? It will think about insertion. Spring Boot app. 1002. Record insertion is done now, boss. Convinced or not? Convinced or not? Come on. So go to this place, guys. Go to this place. Go to this place, guys. IPL team.java, guys. Copy this, my dear. Right, boss. It is required. It is required to insert a record with custom ID. To insert record with custom ID. Next, guys. If this method returns true, then get ID will be called to get the identity value. To get the identity value, and record will be inserted with the custom ID. If this method returns true. Okay. If this method returns false, okay, then update operation takes place. What operation takes place, guys? Simply update operation takes place. Okay, will be inserted with the for what is this repo.save method. Okay, update operation takes place for repo.save method. I think now you got the clarity, my dear. Come on, everyone. This is little different. This is little different. Okay. And you got the idea why you made it transient? Why we made it transient? Right. Okay. Super. Now let's see. So as insert and update is over, Babu. Now next one. More code operations we have to see, guys. Step number 5. Develop the runner class. Develop the runner class for testing, guys. Develop the runner class for testing. Yes, here is the runner class, guys. Develop the runner class for testing. Develop the, guys, give me 2 minutes. Yes, guys. Okay. I'll show 1-2 other operations, guys. Remaining things you can practice on your own. It's not a great thing, you know that, right? Okay, let's see some select operations now. IPL team service, get all teams. Public list, list iterable, whatever it is. Okay, public iterable, what is this? IPL team. IPL team, get all teams, guys. Get all teams. Here is my implementation method. Yeah, tell me here what is there, guys. Team repo dot find. Team repo dot find. Team repo dot find. Okay, let's comment this save operation, guys. Okay, tell me here. Okay, select operation. Select operation. Tell me. Team repo dot, sorry, service dot get all teams dot for each system dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Right. Run as a Spring Boot application. Okay, two teams are there. Both the teams are coming or not, guys? Right, boss. Okay. Two teams are there. Both the teams are coming or not? Okay, boss. I think you can practice remaining things, but I will develop one custom query also, which is not there. I'll try to develop one custom query. Remaining all are same, but custom query supports only. Okay, I want to pass some condition based data. Okay, get teams by tell me, get teams by winning count, winning count range, winning count range. Okay, winning count range. What is this? Into start range, into end range. Into start range, into end range. Okay. Tell me here. List IPLT. List IPLT. Here, guys. @ query. Only SQL queries. No other possibilities, guys. No, only SQL queries. Tell me. Select star from. What is this? Data underscore JDBC underscore IPL team. Come on. What is this? Title. What is this? Winning count greater than or equal to colon min. Next, title winning count. Less than or equal to colon max. Tell me how to. Where is missing? Okay, where? We write where, guys. Okay, where? Tell me, guys. @ param min should go to this. @ param max. Array same as Spring Data JPA with some compromises. @ param java.util.list, guys. This. Fine. One method is ready, guys. Yeah, let me design the method. What is this? Okay. Tell me, what is that? List IPLT. List or a trouble? IPLT. What is this? Fetch teams by winning count. Title winning rate. Title winning count. Title winning count range. Tell me. Into start range, into end range. Into start range, into end range. Control plus Shift plus. Right, boss. Into start range, into end range. Right, boss. Return team report out. Okay. Start range and end range. Or guys, call this method, guys. Select operation using custom queries. Select operation using custom methods, guys. Select operation using custom methods. Tell me. Service dot winning count range, guys. Start range 1. Start range 1. Max range 10. Dot for each. System dot out dot println. Yes, let's run the application, guys. Run as a Spring Boot application. Error. Title winning count. What's the column name, ra? Title winning count. Winning count. Any spell mistake? Title winning count is spell mistake, guys. Where is that? Where is that? Repo. Title winning. Right only, na? Title winning count. Title winning count. Winning. In our place, in N is missing. Winning. Oh, okay. Yes, winning count. Fine, boss. Hare connection, everything will be happen internally, ra, Babu. You don't worry about the connection. Don't speak as if you have not studied data JPA. Again, mistake, huh? Title winning count. Why, yaar? I have not saved this time. Saved, na? Project clean. Done. ING, right only, na? One more N is missing. Achha, here, fine, got it. ING. 2 times it is there. You are right. Right, you are right. 2 times it is there. Spring Boot application, guys. Yeah. Satisfying this, only one record is there and that one record is coming. Satisfying this, one record is there and that one record is coming. I think you can practice remaining things. You cannot think about working with the JPQL and other stuff. Say paste. Next. Right, boss. Here. More persistence operations. Right, guys. Insertion not participated. Now, why it came? Manas, where are you sleeping, man? I corrected that now, boss. I corrected na, Manas. In which dunya you are there, Manas, when I have solved the problem? Manas, in which dunya you are there? Later I implemented persistable. Then I have taken Boolean property. Then I have given explanation. Where were you sleeping, my dear? Transient means insertion. Oh, insertion has not come, na? True false has come, Insertion is the property that holds true or false. Achha, default value false is coming, Rabab. And it is not from database. It's a default value. Any Boolean property default value is what? Any Boolean property default value is what? False. That is coming. Please, it's nowhere related to that. If you are not worried, you overwrite toString and don't keep that. You overwrite toString and don't keep Boolean property. Got it? 1 minute. I know you're overthinking about that. ToString method already there, but don't involve this time. Okay, now you run the application, you will realize. Run as a Spring Boot application. Happier? This time happier, boss. It is not coming from database. It is coming because of ToString method. Right, boss? Okay. More persistence operation. In repository interface. I thought you are asking how insertion problem is solved. I thought you are asking how insertion problem is solved. Yeah, repository interface, guys. Okay. Custom queries logic. Custom queries logic. Right. In service interface. In service interface. In service interface. In service interface, this is the story. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. In runner class. In runner class. Got it, guys? Yeah. Tell me, is there anything seriously should learn in Spring JDBC? No. Only performance is the advantage, Rabo. Performance is the advantage. Performance is the advantage, right? Thank you. Have a nice time. Tomorrow onwards, you will be having what? Okay. Last class notes, everything I will give, guys, don't worry.